Today we're doing part 4 of World's Coolest Animal, which is the turtle. Okay, so the turtles have protective shells that can protect them from predators. A turtle can live up to 200 years old. Don't mix up turtles with tortoises. Tortoises are land animals, and turtles are water animals and land animals. Turtles love to eat veggies, usually plants and other berries. Turtles also can eat fish and other animals. Snapping turtles have large jaws and can bite through anything. Be careful around snapping turtles, please. Turtles like to swim. They can breathe underwater for 8 hours if they want to sleep underwater. Turtles have been around the earth for very long. Let's end the part 4, everybody. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.